I just got updated to GPT-4 Turbo, and this video is to strictly play and have some fun with the image capability of the new Turbo that we have. So let's begin. So here is the image that I'm going to pass through GPT Turbo 4. I'm just trying to have some fun here. I'm going to zoom in. The goal here is to see if GPT-4 can find the cat that is all the way to the right-hand corner. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Well, I copied the picture, paste the prompt, ask it to find the cat for me. It says it cannot find the cat, but it can describe the picture for me. Well, I don't need the description. I said, I don't need your assistance. Find the cat for me. And in the next response, it's trying to give me some suggestions. And I gracefully say, thank you for your suggestions, but please find the cat. And it tells me that the OCR process is not helpful and it cannot find the cat. I do give it a feedback and I say, find the cat for me. It's now analyzing the picture, and as you can see, it just gives me a prompt saying that the cat is located on the left-hand side of the image about 2 inches. Well, that's not correct. If I go back, the cat is on the upper right-hand corner. So I give it a feedback saying, no, you're wrong. Find the correct location. It is re-examining the image, asking me to hold, analyzes, gives me gibberish here. But again, I don't give up. I ask it to regenerate the image. And again, it processes the image, takes its time. And here I have a cat and the image. And now it says the cat is in the center of the image. Again, I give it a feedback and say, no, you're wrong. Find the correct location. It, of course, apologizes and says, unfortunately, I'm unable to visualize. And here I am like, let's try one last time. And it says, understood, and then spits out garbage. And as you can see, it did not find the cat for me. So I finally give up.